Hi, we're MainFrame.
The growth and development of artificial intelligence has slowly but surely been closing the gap between computer science and the average person. However, this gap is not yet closed. Many people are using artificial intelligence to make the projects, websites, and things that they want and able to grow their business and many more. However, many people still do not have the technological literacy in order to effectively use AI and create these projects that they want. This is why we have MainFrame. MainFrame allows an extremely approachable and easy way for people to access computer science and make the projects that they want.
So right here is MainFrame. So we have our components on the left, so it's a simple drag and drop option to bring the components onto this dashboard right here. So we have our user input, the user submits the email form, a logic gate, database, along with the output. So right here I'm going to test and add a new feature called sleek modern UI because I want my final app to include this. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag this component to my notes right here. And an additional part of this, we have our knowledge base. So this basically gives the AI component more context. So right here, I have a URL from this article I read earlier. So that's going to come into play in the final product. All this uses a RAG system. So basically it has a knowledge base and it scores all these articles based on keyword matching. And also has a retrieval method that has the top 3 gets injected in the final AI prompt. And right here we have our score descriptions button. So I'm gonna click this before we get our final output. So what just ran in the background is a neural network system created through NumPy. So basically we have a algorithm, completely machine learning model made from scratch that has long descriptions leading to a higher score. It gives priority to action verbs and emphasizes technical details within. So it gives you a score on where you can improve within your flow. So as the last part, we are going to generate our final prompt. So we're going to give our beginner level, just go through this form right here. And basically this is using both OpenAI and Gemini's AI APIs to get this final recommendation. So right here, boom, this is pulling our article that we just read in earlier for the RAG context, along with giving a final copy and pastable prompt to put into Cursor or any other AI app development builder. So basically this takes the easy work of just putting your ideas on paper into a final product. And this is MainFrame.
So while artificial intelligence is extremely powerful and you're able to do many things with it, MainFrame makes it accessible for every single person to be able to use artificial intelligence accurately and effectively.
Thank you for listening.